I'm here. We came here to watch Bullet Train. Bullet Train. पूरा का पूरा थिएटर खाली है. एक तो
We were kind of bored
at home.
because Dad isn't here. He went to Daddy's house. So
Yes.
we
So
just
because we are
came.
getting bored, हम लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं मूवी देखने के लिए और मूवी इंग्लिश में है. इन लोगों को मूवी इंग्लिश में ही देखनी है. तो पूरा का पूरा थिएटर खाली है. मैं कुछ गरम ढूंढ रही हूँ पीने के लिए, पर इनके पास कुछ गरम है ही नहीं पीने के लिए. We'll come back for this movie. Yes. तो हम लोग ये पिक्चर देखने के लिए आए हैं. And I'm gonna make you try a new snacks. It's a new way of serving basically. Is fries and drink, but is now something new for you. I'm gonna get this. तेले भी लूँ ऐसे ही fries और drink. Okay. ठीक है ना? You pick your toppings. जो नीचे का जो शरबत है, you pick the flavors.
The best candies taste which one the best. Check on which is the most at the bottom. Right?
Oh, so that's your.
The bottom one has more
It's more.
famous.
ओके. तो जॉनस ने लॉजिक लगाया है कि जो सिर्फ सबसे कम है, यानी कि वही लोग पी रहे हैं, वही चल रहा है.
Watermelon is the least.
So what you will take?
I'll take watermelon.
You'll take watermelon?
Okay, I'll take watermelon, but if it tastes bad, then the next.
No, you have to pick first. You want peach? Okay. Hi.
Yeah, ice spice.
Okay, बच्चों को जो चाहिए वो दे दो.
Yeah, ice spice. क्या?
कौन सा वाला अच्छा है? मिंट लोगे? It's like I think you should take peach. और take a chocolate. चॉकलेट ले सकते हैं ना ये लोग? हाँ तो चॉकलेट ले लो ना गुड्डा. Junior take chocolate. Peach? Jonas, you want choose chocolate? Watermelon? You sure? Okay. Watermelon. कितने का ये कॉम्बो?
349 का है ना, उसमें प्राइस आएगा ऊपर और नीचे आपको जो चाहिए वो आएगा.
हाँ वो कर दीजिए. 349. 350 का एक. बाप रे, बड़ा महंगा कर दिया आपने तो. Junior want to know which is the best flavor.
I'm sorry.
Hazelnut? No, I don't think they will like that. You'll go with peach, right?
Peach garden.
Okay. So we'll go with peach
Hiya, next time I come
and the
here.
watermelon.
Hiya, the next time I come here, I'm gonna try watermelon. Me and us can taste each other.
Let's go.
So we went for the English. So maybe the hope is this is India. So technically, no one will go to the English movies, right?
People go, yes, but sometimes. But majority people prefer to watch it in Hindi.
Yeah. So might get the whole movie.
Entire cinema hall is empty.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see.
Let's go.
I'm coming.
Faster.
Okay, come.
See, on the train.
Come, let's go.
This one.
Going to screen number 2. Okay. Jonas, you know your seat? C5, C6 and C7. This is the screen. We'll go from there. Our seat is over from that side.
This is villain.
रुपये है।